Hey guys, what's up? So here I have a Makita DUC353 chainsaw. This is the cordless, brushless 36 volt chainsaw. So it's got running on at the moment, it's running on two of these 5 amp hour 18 volt batteries, and these ones are the BL1850. So it's an electric chainsaw with an on button. It's pretty much a real chainsaw. There's not much. I mean, I've been cutting through big logs like this. Obviously I wouldn't recommend that because you get less runtime cutting through bigger logs like this than you would, you know, sort of pruning and stuff, more sort of stuff what it's designed for. So I wouldn't recommend cutting through the big logs, but other than that, I mean, it does pretty well. You'll see in the next few clips of cutting some bigger bits and some smaller bits, and I might do some pruning as well just to throw in there as well. What else can I tell you? Got your bar oil, chain brake and all the rest of it like a normal chainsaw. Obviously you don't have to put gas in it. My run time, I mean, with this bigger stuff you're probably getting sort of more towards 10 minutes worth of run time continuous, whereas if you're cutting up smaller diameter, sort of under 6-inch diameter branches and stuff, I've been finding getting around about half an hour stopping and starting quite a lot. You know, you'll stop to pick up your bits of wood and that. So at the moment we're starting off with full battery, as you can see there with the battery indicator, and we'll just do a few cuts on the bigger stuff and I'll show you that, and then we might do some pruning a bit later on. Okay, so we're set up here by, this is a Lusitanica tree, and we're just going to do a bit of pruning and I'll show you what it's like. that branch at the camera, but that's alright. So this is really what this saw is probably designed for, sort of the smaller branches in that. We've got another one here. This is a slightly thicker trunk on it, but we'll do the same thing. So overall, guys, I really like this little chainsaw. Definitely recommend it. Yeah, no, it does pretty well for this little pruning sort of situations rather than the bigger logs. I mean, this is more what it's designed for, I reckon. But no, pretty happy with it, eh? So the bigger lumber that we were just cutting before, those logs, that was pretty fresh pine. Just come across a branch of gum that's come down. So this is a bit of a harder wood, but we'll see how the saw handles it. So that's probably about 2 or 3 inches in diameter, that gum. Just after doing those 2 pruning trees and that little bit of gum there, we're gone down 1 bar on both batteries.